No selfie. You will park reverse, huh? Near to your husband car. You know where is your husband car? Where?
Corner, no?
On the corner. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? How is everyone? I hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah always. Guys, in this video inshallah I'm going to show you how to use the three-line method correctly when you are reverse parking, okay, with the easy steps. And inshallah also I'm going to use our sister car, Selfie, the queen of the selling car, of course, if you already know her. So she will show us also how she can park reverse parking. Okay guys, so one more thing guys, if you don't mind, of course, anyway, first thank you for your support, for watching my channel. I hope it's useful for you. I have request from you guys, if you don't mind. I have my good friend, his name Fishino. He's opening a new channel actually, and please can you follow his channel, okay, on YouTube, and then we'll leave the link of the channel below the video. So please support him. He deserves good things, okay. And thank you guys for watching my channel, and I really appreciate it for that. Okay guys, so this method is not coming in your driving road test. Be sure, relax. This is only when you are getting your driving license and you need to park your car reverse parking with the three lines, okay. Okay guys, so the step is easy. Okay, before you're doing the reverse parking, you need to use hazard, of course, to check about who's behind you, and then you can count number 3, that is your parking, then number 2, then number 1, that is your the parking. You have to check about your right mirror should be aligned with the first parking the line. Then you are going to turn fully right, of course, and if a car directly will come the third parking. So you need to count only from 3, 2, 1, or opposite 1, 2, 3. Make sure parking number 3 it is your parking. But before you are doing this, you have to use hazard, then check behind any cars behind you or anyone walking, all right, to remind any drivers coming from your backside. Then you will count from here. Okay, number 3, that is your parking. Okay, then again number 2, and then number 1. Okay, so you stop, and number 1 parking, your mirror should be aligned with the first line, first parking. Then of course you will turn fully right, reverse parking, and check your car position from front straight. You can fix your steering straight and go back again until you are inside the parking. Then you will stop your car with the fully parking, okay, parking mode, handbrake up. Right now I'm waiting for our sister Sylvie until she go out parking. Good morning guys, how is everyone? I hope everyone doing well. Today we'll use Sylvie car. Good morning Sylvie.
Good morning.
How are you doing? Okay. So we'll do reverse parking, inshallah. Okay, with the 3 lines. Okay. So if you are going to park, to the third parking there, you will count from number 1. This one number 1, number 2, That is your parking. 3 lines. Huh? So your mirror should be aligned with
Here, no?
first line. The parking number 1. Okay. So in this case, before you are doing the parking, while you're coming from that side, okay, you have to use a hazard.
Okay.
You already use hazard, right? And then check behind all the mirrors, left mirror, rear mirror, right mirror, okay, to make sure no one behind you. Huh? Then you're going back, okay? So in this case, you will turn fully left. Selfie, turn fully left, right, and you have to keep looking all the time mirror. Selfie, look to the mirror also, okay? Check behind you, okay? Keep going. Let's see. Go back, try. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Good, good. Continue, yeah. Keep going. Yeah. When you are already straight in the parking, you stop and steering straight and go inside. Yes. Go back, reverse. So this is the way how to park in 3-lane parking. Alright. Sometimes you will see the different parkings because some of the parking is big one, small one. But he's already inside, yeah? Good. Okay, selfie.
Okay, brother.
Good.
Now, okay.
Thank you. That's good, yeah. Yeah.
I would park. We are coming from there.
Huh? From that side,
yes.
Okay, yalla. No, selfie. You will park reverse, huh? Near to your husband car. You know where is your husband car? Where?
Corner, no?
On the corner. Okay? Yalla. I'll wait for you there.
Okay. I will come, okay?
Yeah. This is the selfie husband car, Mr. Fiji. But there is no parking right here. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. But anyway, she will park here. Okay. She will park over here. We'll wait for her until she comes. You have to go opposite. All right. Example, selfie. She will park here. So this is number 1. Number 2. Number 3. 3. You will go back, reverse. Okay, selfie. Selfie. Ready? Okay. You know the Mitsubishi car? Yeah? Your mirror should be aligned with the first line, near to your husband car. Okay? And you stop. Go back. Reverse. Wait. What? Yeah. So yeah, now it's like the lane, huh? It's aligned with the first line parking. Okay. So what now you will do? You will turn for the right. Exactly. Yeah, turn. For the right, you will turn for the right. Let's go back to this parking. Alright? Yeah, keep going. Keep going. This is small parking, I know. That's okay. Yeah. More. Yeah. Then steering straight. Steering straight. Selvi? Okay, well, go back. Go back reverse. Go back. Okay. When you see your car align with this car mirror, you stop. Like that. Stop. On full parking. Okay. We do it again better from this, huh?
Okay.
Because there is more job from here. Selvi, we do it again. Okay? So you have to know you are driver, no? You can check from inside your right mirror, huh? To that line. Your husband car, huh? Where is the mirror? How you can see the mirror from inside? Straight to the line or a little bit?
No, it
That
is
line. Little bit, huh? Okay. Because a big car. Okay. In this case, of course, you will use hazard already. Yeah. Okay. Look behind. If there is anyone, okay, and you go back. Move and turn back. Turn full right. It's okay, go. Alright? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then steering straight. And she will go back reverse. Yeah. Go, Selvi. How you know it's enough parking? Mirror to the mirror. If there's a car next to you, you know. Good. That's it. Okay, Selvi. Thank you.
But if that car too close, you have to adjust it, right?
Yeah. No problem.
Can I?
Yeah. No. Don't do like this. What do you want?
You have to take a space from that side.
No, it's him. No, he can open the door. He can open the door. Because you have small parking, no? That's why. If you want, you can do it. Yeah. Okay, Selvi, now she's like professional. Selvi? You look like professional now. That's good. Yeah. Okay. Same, the first parking. Good. Okay, Selvi, thank you. Yeah, you can also, I guess, if you see it's too tight.
If you do, I'll take video.
Huh? Will do? Okay, come outside, lah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we'll do parking.
Okay, brother. Okay.
You can come drive now.